Hello everyone, I'm your host Julian, and today I'm here to introduce two machines produced and designed by Paline. Paline is providing new technologies and values to customers by reviving the chaining packaging industry after the COVID-19 pandemic with their more than 30 years of experience in machine design and know-how. The company provides rotary packaging machines and post-process robot boxing automation lines. In line with the low birth rate, aging population, eco-friendliness and changes in packaging industry insights following the fourth industrial revolution. First of all, and the most important one, is the rotary packager. A mechanical packaging machine that automates, charges and seals products in an empty bag. The rotary pouch machines are mainly used to package food in manufacturing sites and are used to subdivide mass-produced quantities of foods into individual bags. It is a machine that automatically performs a series of processes in which a large amount of empty bags are loaded into the packaging machine and then discharged. The strengths of this product are its excellent durability and hygiene. Also, economically, it is very feasible because of its reasonable pricing. It covers from 80 to 350 mm bag sizes with two models and scales suitable, producing multiple varieties. The ability to produce and consult various packaging solutions to consumer with 30 years of rich packaging experience and creative technology. So the products that could be packaged with this machine, for example, would be grains, dry foods, nuts, liquid drinks, liquid detergents, sauces, seasonings, home convenience, HMR, pet food, frozen food and powder products are mainly used for the small packaging machine. The machine mainly works by loading in the magazine of bags. Then the machine grabs the bag and loads it in the magazine, where it's then being opened by a suction cup. On the top of the suction cup, there is going to be a funnel inserting the predetermined amount of food. The rotary machine is named after the carousel rotary motion in the center of the machine, where step by step each of these instructions can be done. At the end, it's going to be sealed and discharged after inserting the correct amount of product. Next up in the production line, there is the packaging machine, which is the robot box packager. The robot box automation line automatically loads and taps package and discharge from the rotary pouch wrapper into the box according to the quantity and the loading package and pattern provided, using a spider robot. All these details can be predetermined and programmed into the robot at behead. So you could, for example, say in which way the product is going to be stacked and how many of each packages are going to be in one box. The effects of introducing one such a machine into your production line would make it very easy and cheap to produce a large quantity of many different products using the automated manufacturing process. Another big effect and positive is increased safety standards, also increased durability, increased manufacturing hours, as well as increased hygiene. On August 5th in 2021, they have been recognized by the National R&D Department and are speeding up research and development. And on September 17 in 2021, they have been certified to meet the certification standards for Quantity Management System ISO 9001 and Environmental Management Systems ISO 14001. I hope many people will use such machines in their factories now, especially looking forward to the fourth industrial revolution. Thank you very much for listening.